Attention all tool warriors and worksite legends. For just £8.97 you can win the ultimate prize, a brand new 2024 Ford Transit Custom Trail Crew Cab packed to the brim with DeWalt tools, so powerful that would make Thor jealous. This isn't just a van, this is a 2-litre diesel luxury fortress on wheels. Reversing cameras, check. Leather seats, check. Enough tech to make a spaceship blush, double check. You'll be pulling up the job sites in style, leaving everybody else in your dust. But come here, let's talk tools. The DeWalt TOUGHSYSTEM, oh it's here. Table saws, impactor wrenches, radios, 4-port charging centres, impactors, cordlesses, SDS drills. It's even got a tripod light to keep you shining through the night, and when you're finished and the place is a mess, bring the woman in and give her a DeWalt vacuum. Only joking. I've said it before and I'll say it again. This is not just a van. This is a workshop, a throne, a dream machine. Don't miss your chance to become king or queen of the worksite. Get across onto the website, get your tickets bought, and you never know. Today could be your lucky day.